Hey guys, Dr. Michael here and welcome to the channel today. Here with me is the Tecno Spark 5 in 2020 and I'm going to be unboxing it as well as giving you a brief review about the phone, after which I'll be dropping some test and comparison videos on the channel, including speed test, battery drain test, as well as camera comparison with other Android phones and iOS devices too. So I would love for you to click that subscribe button below this video and don't forget to turn on notifications by clicking on the bell icon so as not to miss out on any of our upcoming videos. I also dropped a video on the unboxing and review of the Tecno Spark 4 right on this channel about 3 weeks ago. Do well to check that out, as well as the iPhone X unboxing and review in 2020. I'll also be trying out this autofocus case as well as applying a glass protector and trying out this 16GB TF card directly from Tecno Mobile as a gift following the purchase of the Tecno Spark 5. Without further ado, let's get started. Opening the box, we have the phone lying right there in its full glory, covered in a Tecno customized plastic wrap. This is the vacation blue version, similar to what I have on the Spark 4, and it really looks attractive. The Tecno Spark 5 is available in 4 different color options, featuring the vacation blue, the ice jaded, the spark orange, and the misty grey. Taking that aside, we have the warranty card below the phone as it was in the case of the Tecno Spark 4. There is no startup guide here, as the startup guide is right inside of the phone in the form of PDF. We've got a transparent rubber case, a set of Tecno manufactured earphone, a USB Type-A to micro USB cable for charging, as well as a 5-watt wall charging brick, SIM card ejector, and that's pretty much it for the unboxing. So here is a close and detailed view of the new Tecno Spark 5. We have a pre-installed screen protector right on the front of this device, and the right side of this phone is really a deal breaker with an AI quad camera formation, which initially caught my fancy the very first time I saw the advert. Starting from the front, we have the 0.8 megapixel f2.0 wide selfie camera situated at the top left corner of the screen, which is apparently eliminating the use of the water drop notch used in the previous model. We also have the speaker and the dual LED flash right here at the top front of this phone. Here at the side, we have the volume up and down buttons as well as the power button, just as we had on the Tecno Spark 4. At the other side, we have the SIM card tray. We have nothing at the upside, and here at the bottom we have the speaker, a 3.5mm headphone jack for wired headphones, and the micro USB ports for charging. We also have the 13MP f1.8 aperture plus a 2MP macro lens, another 2MP depth sensor, and a QVGA lens or a low light sensor, AI quad camera setup with the quad LED flash and the fingerprint sensor at the top part of the back, same as the previous. Powering the phone on, you'll be required to provide certain piece of information to get your device ready to use, or which I'll speedily do now. The Spark 5 was released by Tecno Mobile this year, 2020, 4th of May to be precise, but initially released on 26th of May. This phone features a 6.6-inch 0-point screen featuring a 90.2% screen-to-body ratio and a 720p display with 266 ppi high density, 2GB of RAM as well as 32GB of ROM, which is of course expandable up to 128GB with the use of a trans flash card, also known as an SD card. Quite a good processor even in 2020, which is the MediaTek Helio A22 processor, improved camera staging the 13MP f1.8 aperture plus a 2MP macro lens, another 2MP depth sensor, and a QVGA lens or a low light sensor AI quad camera setup capable of taking 1080p Full HD videos at 30 frames per second. This device is backed by a massive 5000 mAh non-removable battery, an upgrade from the 4000 mAh battery on the Spark 4. It runs on Android 10 HiOS 6.1, an upgrade from the Android 9.0 Pie on its predecessor, the Spark 4. Face ID, which is even better with closed eye detection, 3.5mm headphone jack, fingerprint sensor, and it's 4G LTE capable. So yeah, that's pretty much everything for now. I do hope you enjoyed this video. If so, hit the like button, and like I said earlier, I'll be dropping more videos about this phone and even other Android and iOS devices on the channel. Do well to be subscribed and turn on notifications to be notified when I eventually do so. Thanks for watching, and till then, peace.